Working with Excel integration. PowerPoint can integrate with Excel by inserting a chart that links to Excel data. By incorporating Object Linking and Embedding, or OLE, you can also embed an entire Excel worksheet into your presentation. Embedding gives you full access to the Excel data just as if it resided in an external document. Also, you never have to worry about breaking links by changing the name of a file or moving it to a different location. Okay, let's embed an Excel worksheet in a PowerPoint presentation. First, I display the third slide of my presentation. I click the dotted border of the bulleted text area to select it. The border will become solid when correctly selected. I tap Delete to remove the text block. Now I go to the ribbon and choose Insert, Text, Object. Here, I make sure Create New is chosen. I scroll down the list, choose Microsoft Excel Worksheet, and click OK. PowerPoint places the worksheet on the slide. And notice here that the Excel ribbon now displays. Now I'm ready to enter data in the worksheet. In column A, I type category names. I point to the border to the right of column A until the insertion point becomes a double-headed arrow, and then double-click to auto-fit the text. And now I type the numerals in column B. Okay, let's format the data. I point to cell B1 and drag down to cell B6. I right-click any of the selected cells and choose Format Cells from the context menu. From the category list, I choose Currency, and I set the decimal places to 0. Finally, I choose the $sign as the symbol, and then click OK. From the ribbon, I choose Home, Editing, AutoSum. The sum of cells B1 through B5 is displayed in cell B6. I point to cell A6 and drag across to cell B6. I choose Home, Styles, Cell Styles, Accent 1. I point to cell A1 and drag diagonally down to cell B5. And then I choose Home, Styles, Cell Styles, 60%, Accent 1. When I click anywhere on the slide outside the spreadsheet, notice that the PowerPoint ribbon reappears. Well, the spreadsheet seems to have a lot of wasted space. Let's resize it. First, I double-click the spreadsheet and then point to its bottom right corner until the mouse pointer appears as a double-headed arrow. I drag up and to the left, taking care to drag close to the content cells. Then I release the mouse button. I click anywhere on the slide outside the spreadsheet. The table on the slide is much too small. To enlarge the table, I point to the bottom right corner of the spreadsheet and then drag down and to the right. Now I drag the spreadsheet to center it on the slide. Our last task here will be to edit an embedded slide. So I double-click the spreadsheet. I click in cell B2, type 190, and then click anywhere outside the spreadsheet. Cell B2 changed here because the currency formatting was applied earlier. The total amount has been updated to accommodate for the higher value in cell B2. And now I save my presentation and exit PowerPoint.